Jack went hunting each time and waited attentively for any sound. One day there was movement in the bushes. He turned at once, but it wasn't prey, it was a tigress. Her eyes were fixed on Jack and her two small cubs sat nearby. Jack didn't pull the trigger. Instead, he shifted his aim so the tigress wouldn't be fatally hurt. Just then, a shot rang out and the tigress fell. The shooter was Pete. The cubs ran to their mother, and one of them seemed with a low growl to question Jack. Pete was about to raise his hand against the cubs as well, but Jack's stern look stopped him. Jack picked up both cubs and left them in a nearby cave, leaving a wild chicken on the way, which the cubs sniffed and dragged inside. Time passed and the season turned to spring. When Jack reached the cave, one cub lay lifeless and the other was nowhere to be seen. Years later came news tigers had attacked the village. When Jack arrived, Pete was on the ground, tiger claw marks on his face and his unconscious wife in his lap. With a trembling hand, he pointed toward the village. Jack, without a second thought, grabbed his rifle and ran, but along the way he caught a faint sound and fired without thinking. A low growl came from behind. When he turned, it was the same one-eyed tiger, now king of the forest. The tiger recognized Jack and did not attack. It simply turned and left. Jack understood if the tiger was behind him, then who had been hit? He ran back. His wife was on the ground and the world seemed to stop. Jack gave up hunting and devoted himself to raising his son. Pete, having lost everything, burned with a desire for revenge against the Tiger King. Does revenge truly heal wounds, or does it only add new pain to a new story?